Hi, I'm Eric Vezzoli. I'm the founder of GoTouch VR, and GoTouch VR builds haptics technology, which are technologies for digitizing the sense of touch. The standardization of haptics coding, like the MP3 for haptics, was based on our technology because we had the best and most performing compression technology for the sense of touch. I sold this company to Razer. Razer is double headquartered in Singapore and Irvine in California. Razer is a world leader of gaming peripherals, and we sold this company the 31st of May 2022. The investment bank who managed the transaction was Inflection Point Technology Partners, or IPTP. They were instrumental because it's the only French investment bank which is specialized in deep tech technologies and ability to position the strategic value of the technology to the buyer, and with a lot of international experience. Having an investment bank that understands the technology for us was the most critical aspect of the selection choices, because the valuation of the technology of the company was literally done on the core technology. Without the capability to evaluate it, it would have been complex to assign a potential value to the company. It was critical for us to find the right acquirer, because what we wanted to have is to have an acquirer that was able to deploy on the market the core technology that we developed without denaturating it. So for us, it was important to have a strategic fit with the acquirer. IPTP has a large network of partners that work with them for transactions, and they introduced us to Philippe Didier, who's a fantastic business lawyer that helped us to manage the transaction and work spectacularly well with IPTP. When starting the merger and acquisition process, what we wanted to have is a partner that could deploy our technology at scale. And we shared our dream buyer to IPTP, and we were able to sell the company to this dream buyer, and we are really happy about it. My life changed after this transaction in fundamentally three ways. Number one is liberated me from the burdens of operationally manage a startup, so that I would free times to do what I love, which is focusing on the technology and the capability on the market. Second thing is that it allowed me to take care of my loved ones, thanks to the transaction. And the third one, it allowed me to expand within the acquirer company all the competencies to develop bleeding edge technologies and implement them for other business lines. I would redo this company again. I would do it a little bit more differently, because I was a first-time entrepreneur when I started, so I made many mistakes at the beginning, specifically because I was coming from research. So I did not optimize the company for the product we were developing. What I would be different, I would hire, for example, much stronger talent early on, so that we could focus on the much core technology much faster. I would not onboard other co-founders. I would focus on the strength of the people and or the employees, and remunerate them handsomely with shares, so that they would be much more near co-founders than just employees. And the third one is I would be much more careful of which investors I would bring on board.